Hey guys, how's it going? We're here applying this spray-on texture, right? The famous spray-on texture effect in this garage here at this house we're renovating. Marcelo is already here doing the finish work with the trowel. Many people like to do the finish work with a plastic trowel, right? The PVC one, which is the most common. But look how it turns out with the steel trowel. Look at this finish, guys. Guys, of course, there are some techniques we need to use here so we can get a nice effect, a cool effect. And at this stage, we're using the trowel. But in the previous stage, we use a good compressor, right? With a paint gun, a support, a little bucket on top to put the texture in, and then apply it to the wall. And that's the method. That's how we apply it to the wall. It's not with a trowel, it's not with a spatula, no. It has to be done this way so you get that spray-on texture effect. Alright, if you try to do this at home in another way, I don't think you'll be able to. You won't get a nice result, a cool effect. You need to have a compressor, a good compressor, one that's strong, right, to spray this texture on the wall like this, see? This requires a good tool, a quality tool, so that you have, right, the proper ability to apply this finish on the wall. Now here we're applying it to the upper part, right, of the wall. We've already done it. It's also good to point out, guys, that it doesn't dry that quickly, right? You can see that the wall underneath is white. We applied an acrylic sealer. It was a freshly plastered wall with fresh plaster. So we applied an acrylic sealer so we can basically spread it over a wall this size that you see in the video. And after the whole application is done, we come in with a straight steel trowel. It can even have rounded corners, there's no problem. But ideally it should be straight, not wavy, not warped, those kinds of things, so that we can achieve this effect you're seeing here, okay? After we've applied it with the compressor and the spray gun, we wait a bit until it dries to the right point. And then we start doing the finishing, the smoothing, the well-known spray texture effect. Just like Marcelo is showing you there. It looks really beautiful, guys. Just take a look at this. See how cool it looks? How nice it turns out? After painting here, man, this finish looks amazing. Look how cool this is. We applied it all over here, on this wall, on this part here. And now Marcelo is coming again with the steel trowel. There's not much of a secret, guys. You just need to get the hang of it on the first or second application. After that, you're good to go, as long as you have a good tool. Having a nice tool. Look how cool the effect looks, see? After this wall is painted, guys, I'll show you the resulting photos on Instagram. You'll see how amazing this wall is going to look. With this effect, right? With this spray texture we're applying here on this wall.
Imprensa da Bahia. This is how it looks. That's it. That's it.
It's beautiful, huh, Marshall?